Hi, welcome. I'm Samuel.
I'm Esther.
And this is our dog, Kivo.
Welcome
to our home. We live in a 1,006 square foot apartment with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. And we wanted to keep the space in trend with hints of Japandi. It's calm, relaxing, clean, natural and open, but still modern enough to stay timeless. So we worked with both our IDs, Heidi and Erin, to help us come up with what we now call as modern Japandi.
So this is our second home. So we already know what we wanted to be flexible for different users as well as functional.
So we designed our whole place around our lifestyle, and especially our 2 boys, our young 1-year-old son and our white Kivo here. And of course, around the house, we also made dedicated spaces just for Kivo. We wanted enough room for our son to play and grow while keeping the space pet-friendly, like having a dog wash area that's practical for both him and Kivo. We also love having friends and family over, so the layout is kept open and communal.
So we made quite a few layout changes to our home. One of the bedrooms was split into a helper's room and a study. The space for the study is still big enough for a bed and wardrobe, so we can easily turn it into a guest room or a kids' room in the future. Originally, the living and dining were 2 separate rooms, as well as a balcony. So the spaces felt a bit smaller and darker. Our IDs then suggested to extend the dining area out to include the balcony, and the wall in between was partially removed.
Now it feels bright and open. The living and dining areas flow into each other, but still feel like their own spaces. We even added full-height windows along the living and dining, so there's plenty of natural sunlight coming in. And since both of us do a lot of work at home, a study is definitely a must. We use glass doors so we can take calls in peace, but still keep an eye on what's happening outside, which is super handy when you have a little one around.
We wanted a home that could evolve with our family, and this space just does that. It's cozy, practical, and honestly, the home that we look forward to coming to.
Hi, welcome to another episode of
Spouse the House.
I'm Heidi.
I'm Erin, and we are the designers of this home.
Today we are in Bukit Timah, walking you through another project that we have just wrapped up.
This neighborhood is known for its charming, slow-paced vibe, and we wanted this home to reflect the same relaxing energy.
And you've just met our lovely homeowners and their adorable pet Kibo. So let's jump right into the walkthrough.
The concept of this home is to blend Japandi with modern design. Right away, you'll notice the open layout.
This is a signature of contemporary homes, and it keeps the space bright, seamless, and airy without any harsh boundaries. The palette stays soft and calming throughout, with creams, off-whites, and gentle beige tones that makes the home feel cohesive and timeless.
We painted the walls in a light beige lime wash, giving a natural organic look that's more inviting than a flat painted surface.
Medium-toned walnut wood runs through the home to tie everything together, and that's what gives this space that signature Japanese influence.
And beneath it all, the large format light floor tiles create a smooth, continuous base, keeping everything minimal and clean.
We also introduced soft curves and arches throughout the home.
This rounded edge gently balanced the sharp modern lines, adding a calm and welcoming flow to the space.
This unit originally had 2 entrances, but we only kept 1 functional. The other one was retained to preserve the uniformity of the home's exterior, a small detail that notes to the original layout.
Now let's start with Kibo's favorite spot of the home, the foyer.
We kept it simple, maximizing space right away with these essential floor-length shoe cabinets.
As you walk further in, the home opens up beautifully, and you get a full view of the living and dining areas.
We also curved the walls on both sides of the entrance, so they act like gentle guides leading you into the home.
Right in the center of the home, we created this planter box alongside the curved partition wall, which acts as a natural focal point of the space.
It is filled with an elegant indoor tree and smaller plants to bring nature inside.
The planter extends into a cozy bench, which acts as extra seating, as well as a bridge between the living and the dining space.
The base of the bench was originally meant to be Kibo's little corner, but he's since outgrown it. Now it just serves as an open, flexible storage and adds to the airiness of the space. Above the planter, we added this recessed, pebble-shaped ceiling skylight that gives a soft ambient glow when lit up.
Moving on to the dining area, we custom built this island with a travertine sintered stone tabletop that flows seamlessly onto the dining table.
The wooden base, with its layered profile and rounded legs, makes the whole setup feel unified and organic. We also tuck a recessed portion into the island, great for extra seating when guests are over.
And on a daily basis, it's actually where Kibo's dog bowls sit, nearly out of the way, and on the other side is drawers for more storage.
Together, this whole setup can comfortably seat up to 7 people.
Right above, the homeowners offer this minimal linear panel light which elevates the space.
Just behind the dining area is the dry pantry. We line this entire length with built-in cabinetry to create generous storage, which is a must-have for a growing family.
Each appliance has its own dedicated slot, and we even added a hidden appliance cabinet with pull-out trays. This keeps the countertop clear and clutter-free, so everything looks effortlessly neat. You'll also notice these double profile cabinets, where the lower section is recessed.
In fact, that was a custom detail for the homeowners.
By recessing the bottom half, we created extra headroom and a more comfortable prep area, while still maximizing storage above.
Now onto the wet kitchen, we added a synchronized sliding glass door in an aluminium finish.
They keep the space feeling open and connected, but can be easily closed off when it's time to cook. The design here is simple and functional, with generous countertop space for meal prep, and a small detail is this corner fan, matched in the same medium wood tone for ventilation.
And just beyond that, we have the service yard. This area was carved out from what used to be an original kitchen, giving the homeowners a dedicated utility zone.
Since functionality was a big priority, we maximized every inch of wall space. This floor-to-ceiling built-in neatly conceals the rubbish chute and gives us open slots for cleaning supplies.
And because dogs are family too, we custom built this shower area just for Kibo.
It features clear glass doors and a flip-up wooden ledge, which can be folded down for storage or up for extra room while washing.
We also use frosted reeded glass for the doors and the windows, letting natural light flow deeper into the kitchen, while also acting as a privacy screen to filter out clutter.
Back into the main living area, let's take a look at the architectural details. If you look up, you'll spot part of this original ceiling beam that divides the living and dining area.
We used the structure to our advantage, allowing the beam to curve downwards, connecting with the partition wall to form a soft, organic archway.
Another arch by the window enhances the sense of flow, so light and movement feel continuous from end to end.
From both sides of these openings, the living and dining spaces are beautifully framed and gives the home a naturally balanced, photogenic quality.
As mentioned earlier, this wall where the windows are was actually once a balcony.
The homeowners chose these motorized ripple flow curtains, which helps diffuses the light evenly, keeping the room bright but never harsh.
Over on the partition wall, you'll see those arched display niches, each softly lit with hidden LED strips. It's a subtle but incredibly charming detail.
To round off the living area, the homeowners kept their furnishings minimal.
The low sectional sofa captures that relaxed Japanese simplicity, inviting you to slow down and unwind. The media console uses that familiar medium dark wood tone, creating a grounded anchor for the space. And for a finishing touch, we used fluted panels on the flip-down console doors, perfectly concealing the wires and devices inside, keeping the entire setup clean and clutter-free.
Moving across the living room, this wall is finished entirely with the same walnut laminate.
This whole area was entirely reconfigured. It originally housed a bedroom and part of the home's second entryway.
After sealing off the extra entry, we divide the space into two, a compact nanny on the left and also a cozy study on the right.
The study was designed to stay open to the living area, but can easily be enclosed with a half-glass sliding door for privacy during focus time.
We
We even added a glass display cabinet on the side for Samuel to showcase some of his personal keepsakes and collections from his work as an Air Force regular.
Meanwhile, the rest of the furniture was kept modular, giving the homeowners full flexibility to rearrange or adapt the space in the future.
Now let's head into the master bedroom, which feels just like a relaxing hotel suite.
The transition starts with this soft, curved wall that gently leads you into the space. Even the track light above follows the same contour, guiding the eye naturally inward.
On the right, the wardrobe features tinted glass doors across 2 panels.
It's sleek, understated, and makes the clothes inside feel like a curated showcase.
To make full use of an awkward corner, we added curved-end shelving.
And the floating bedside tables were custom built to keep the bed space light and minimal.
The bathroom sits beyond this point, separated by a T-frosted glass sliding door.
A vertical strip of T-frosted glass alongside the curved wall allows soft light from the bedroom to filter through, creating an ambient glow in the bathroom. Inside, the palette continues with beige travertine tiles with a textured finish, and vertical graining that elongates the entire space.
The vanity pairs beige marble-like countertop with walnut carpentry underneath.
We use wall-mounted stainless steel tapeware to keep the silhouette clean, and a wall-hung water closet to visually expand the space. The shower area features darker glass panels for contrast. Soft house lighting and hidden cove light creates a warm, private suite-like ambience in the master bathroom.
Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the common bathroom.
It maintains the same tranquil, spacious feeling and colour palette as the master suite.
We used warm beige travertine tiles here, contrasting them with black trimmings and silver hardware.
To maximise space, we installed a wall-to-wall mirror storage and used large format tiles, as well as rigid subway tiles for texture. And we designed a built-in ledge inside the shower for shower essentials. The dark wood floating vanity, vessel sink, and modern fixtures complete the high-end look.
And that officially brings our tour of this modern Japandi home to an end.
We hope this gave you tons of inspiration for creating a home that's both calming and highly functional.
If you want to see the full details of this project, be sure to check out the links to our social down in the description box below. And if you enjoyed the tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming projects.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Hello, welcome. I'm Sam. Stay. Let's try again.